This was how Ian Garry neutralized Carlos Prates' Muay Thai game. Carlos Prates had been dominating fighters who tried to meet him in boxing range. With his Muay Thai base and longer reach, he controlled distance with calf kicks, constant circling, and sharp cage pressure, forcing opponents to fight on his terms. But against Garry, that formula didn't work the same way. Garry would circle out the moment he felt pressure building, and if there was no clean exit, he'd immediately shoot for a takedown to reset the fight to a pace that favored him. And part of it also came down to the orthodox versus southpaw dynamic. Prates' calf kick wasn't nearly as dangerous anymore because it took longer to land. Meanwhile, Garry came in well prepared. Instead of relying on calf kicks, he used oblique kicks as an alternative to limit Prates' movement. But what made the biggest difference was the way Garry chose his trading entries. He would often come in behind a jab or a 1-2, then finish with a high kick before spacing back out. This made it difficult for Prates to reset instantly and set up his counters. And the fact that he spammed this so effectively that it created a defensive pattern in Prates. He would bring his rear hand up to cover his head, dip slightly to protect his body from kicks, while keeping his lead hand extended to parry shots upstairs whenever Garry showed any sign of stepping in. At first glance, the guard looked solid, but on closer inspection, it had a few critical openings, and Garry was able to exploit it several times. Although in the final round, Prates managed to regain some momentum and nearly overwhelmed Garry, Garry was still able to survive and secure the win on the scorecards, all thanks to his strategic approach.